You won't believe how these 3 fruits can transform your kidney health and fight off chronic kidney disease. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Did you know that chronic kidney disease affects 1 in 7 adults in the United States? Stay tuned to discover the top 3 fruits that are medically recommended for kidney detox. Today, we're diving into the world of kidney health by exploring the benefits of 3 fruits that can help detoxify and support the function of our kidneys. These fruits play a crucial role in managing chronic kidney disease. So let's take a closer look at how they can make a difference in your health. Chronic kidney disease not only affects kidney function, but also has a significant impact on our overall health. It's essential to maintain healthy kidneys as they play a vital role in filtering waste and excess fluids from our blood. By incorporating the right fruits into our diet, we can support kidney function and improve our overall well-being. Let's start by discussing the first fruit on our list, berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help improve kidney function and reduce inflammation. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, these colorful fruits are a delicious way to support your kidneys. Moving on to the second fruit, watermelon. Known for its high water content, watermelon is not only hydrating but also beneficial for kidney health. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney function, and watermelon can be a refreshing and nutritious addition to your diet to support your kidneys. Lastly, let's talk about apples. An apple a day may keep the doctor away, but it can also support kidney detoxification. Apples are rich in fiber and antioxidants, which can aid in flushing out toxins and promoting kidney health. Incorporating apples into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your kidneys. I encourage you to try incorporating these kidney-friendly fruits into your diet and experience the benefits for yourself. Don't forget to share your thoughts, experiences, or any questions you may have in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to better kidney health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.